Hey, this is Brian. While in Tokyo, Sara and I were lucky enough to experience the Shibuya Scramble Crossing. Come along as we show you the chaos from above and from street level. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. This is Khaki Shorts, where we cover travel, food, and just utter nonsense. This scramble crossing is probably one of the most famous in the world. Auto traffic is stopped in all directions so that pedestrians can cross from every side, even diagonally across the middle. We took the elevator up in a nearby building for these views of the scramble in action.
Oh, my lunch. My lunch.
The elevator down is glass and drops pretty quickly. Sara was afraid she was going to lose her lunch. Wonder if she could hit that trash truck at the curb. The scramble is just outside the Shibuya station. We waited on the light and took off across the intersection with the masses. Although crowded, this is not as bad as it can get. On a really busy day, it's estimated that about 2,500 people can be crossing at the same time. On the other side of the intersection, you can find restaurants and shopping. We took time to visit Don Quixote and Tokyo Hands. Yep, that's Tokyo, not Tokyo.
We made it!
Thanks for coming with us. Hope you enjoyed our trip across the scramble. Have you ever been to this famous intersection? Or does it remind you of one from other major cities? Let us know what you think in the comments.